There is so much bird we cannot hear. It's astounding. Okay, we are going back from a night in Köln, one more. A so beautiful night. We were refused at every nightclub. And now it's almost 7 in the morning. We go back to the residence in Rodenkirchen. But there is so much birds we cannot hear ourselves. Is it a real one or? And Paul is carrying his luggage. Oh, and the sticking cheese, the sticking cheese, we put it in a McDo bag. It's just so sticking.
Because it's a French cheese.
Yes, of course it's the French cheese. What do you think? So stinking.
It should be a Netherlands cheese. But no.
It's a French cheese. Look at all the birds. It's... Oh, come on, I cannot sleep. Oh, and there is someone who is already awake. Hello?
No, that's the toilet.
That's the toilet. He's on the toilet, yes. How does it smell? There is incredible colors. Does it smell good or what?
We don't have smell.
You don't smell anything, even
No.
not the sugar.
I can't smell.
So who is awake at the residence?
Only
Not,
someone in the
yeah, not lots.
in the front.
Oh, too much birds.